Can I stop Windows 7 from fading Windows on Alt-Tab? When you hit Alt-Tab on Windows 7 and stop for a second on a window, it hides all other windows. Is there any way to tell Windows 7 to use the old classic behavior?
The fade is controlled by a timer and the timeout can be adjusted to any time period you want. Therefore, by extending the timeout to a longer period of time, you can effectively disable the fade. To make the change requires an edit to the registry. Open your registry editor, regedit, and create the following registry key. In that key, create the following word value. And set the value to the desired delay, in milliseconds of when you want the fade to begin. Setting to something like 10,000 decimal will prevent the fade for a full 10 seconds. Note, you will have to restart Explorer to see the results. The easiest way to do that is log out and back in again or to reboot your machine.
In Advanced System Settings, accessible from the System Control panel, click the Advanced tab, then the Settings button for performance. In the list of visual effects, the following affects this behavior. Enable Aero Peak. You will need to uncheck this, doing so will remove arrow effects sadly enough, so it's either one.
Funny that John's URL, this URL, mentions a different solution. In contrast to Tall Jeff who sets 10,000 to lift review_ms, I set it to 0. And it worked. So, the complete solution was for me. Open your registry editor, regedit, and create the following registry key. key_current_user_Microsoft_Windows_current version_current version/Explorer/Alt-Tab. Created word value lift review_ms. Set value data 0. Restart the Explorer service or the computer.
The feature is called Aero Peak. I was able to disable with Ref TechNet.
The solution to increase the timeout didn't work for me. It looks like the timeout maxes out at 3000 milliseconds. See. Disable or delay Alt plus Tab Aero Peak effect in Windows 7. This URL. In another super user post, someone suggested Vista Switcher. I just downloaded and installed it. It works perfect for me, nicer than the old Alt plus Tab functionality and with no timeout.
This video support the channel. Please consider subscribing.